Sup guys, it is Daxenholm here, and today I'm going to be showing a really quick way of making a StarMade server which you and your friends can use, basically. It's really simple to make and it's really good fun because it allows you to experience this wonderful game with friends and you won't be on your own playing it. I've had to experience being on your own and it's quite lonely, but now I can play with friends. It's really good fun and simple. First of all, you need to open your browser. You can use whatever browser you use. I use, for instance, Chrome, but you may use Firefox or Internet Explorer. That's the one. I couldn't think of it. Right, it's because it's that bad. Yeah, I went there. Anyway, you then need to go to your router thing. Well, I can't remember its name. The router setup, that's the one. And then you need to find virtual servers or your port forwarding section. You then open your port forwarding section. As you can see here, here is all of my other servers that I've got, except you won't see my private IP address area because that is private, obviously. Anyway, you need to find your private IP address. This is done by going into CMD, by typing it into there, you'll see it, pressing enter, and you get your CMD up. If you then type in ipconfig, and then find the correct area for your things. Here's mine, but this is again blocked because I don't want you seeing that. You then need to get the last number of your IPv4 address and you need to put it into this area here where it's got the private IP address. This is the last number. Once you've got that, you then need to put, well, that's what I do first personally, but you can do it otherwise. You then put a description. I've obviously got StarMade because it's nice and simple to remember. Actually, I'm going to change that because it is wrong. There we go. Much better. Anyway, you then need to get the inbound port, which is 4242. You type that into both of these boxes. Once you've got that in, set the type of it to TCP. That's the best one to use in my opinion anyway. You can use UDP, but yeah. You then need to do that in the private port again with 4242. And once that is done, you click apply changes. If you do not click this button, it will not work. Warning you now, okay? Good. I'm glad. And what's that? That's just popped up. Ignore that. Go away. Anyway, now that you've set your port up, you just let me apply changes anyway, just so it will show you what to do. I'm going to close this as soon as it's done. Come on. Java. Lovely. Thank you. Thank you for ruining my video. Go away. Anyway, there we go. So it's done. Right. So now what you do is you open your StarMade. That's the one. You start up the StarMade. And I am back. Sorry about that, guys. Alpha game and all, you know, little bugs and stuff. I found out what happened. I just moved the folder to the wrong area. Anyway, so now that you've set up your port successfully, hopefully, depending if you've done it correctly, you then just need to click Start Dedicated Server. This will give you a server block, which will come up in the next few seconds, hopefully. Come on. Come on. Why you take? There it is. Anyway, this means your server is now correctly running. Now all you need to do to join this server for yourself is start the game normally. It will then give you, hopefully, if I've done it right, yes, it gives you your name and everything, and it will let you connect your host port, which is, in your case, since you set the server up, localhost with .4242. To get your friends to join though, this is might be a bit confusing in a way, but hopefully not. You just go onto Google and type what's my IP address and you will get the correct IP. You then give that to your friends. They remove the local host area. They just get rid of the whole little bit of that says local host and put your IP address in. If it's done correctly, your port will work and they will be able to connect to your server, such as this. Let me do it. And there we go. I'm now on my server. So basically, it's really simple. Not gonna lie, I found it really easy to do, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. As you can see, all the stuff's loading. I don't actually know if you're seeing this, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, so that's it, really. I've got nothing else to say. If you ever need any help, just write in the comments section what might be going wrong, and I'll try and help you out as best as I can. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, favourite, etc. And I shall see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.